Hi everyone, so welcome back to our channel Tanya Today. In this video, I wanted to share you few things which are very important for teachers especially because in a day-to-day life, Excel sheet and especially Google Sheets are very helpful for creating a data sheet or creating a report card. Anything this Excel is very helpful. So now see here, I think everyone can see my screen. Here you can see the first and foremost thing is untitled spreadsheet. So with the help of your mouse, just select that and rename it as marks sheet. If you want a proper naming, enter underscore. Okay. So now marks sheet. Here you can see A, B, C, something like that, right? So these are the columns. Now if you wanted to enter serial numbers, enter 1, 2 and select these two numbers simultaneously with the help of your mouse and drag it. Here you can see a plus symbol, right? So just drag that plus symbol so that you can get the number of I have received it till now 5. So if you drag like this continuously, you can get the numbers till wherever you want. Okay, so these are till 12 numbers. Now see here, instead of this, if you wanted to write any headings or anything, I will show you how to write the headings. See here, I'm writing roll number, name, maths, English, science, social. These are the general subjects which everybody is having. Okay, now if you wanted to highlight these borders or anything, just scroll it down. Here you can see this option, right? More option, just click on that and select the all borders. Now just select, so that now you got the borders. Now for suppose if you want this alignment in the middle, okay, if you want this alignment in the middle, so what you need to do is just select all these with the help of your mouse again. Here you can see horizontal alignment. Can you see the symbol? So if you put it center, it became, and if you select it corner, the names are moving to the corner. If you are selecting it to the left, it is coming to the left. So always make it in the middle so that it will be a proper alignment. And if you want your whole sheet to be in a proper format, just select the cells and select the font style. Here bookman style is a very nice style where it will be looks good actually. So just search for this bookman style. See, bookman old style, this font is very nice. So people whoever wants this, you can just select it. So here if you found any difficulty, just decrease the screen size and just search for that bookman style, and you can scroll it down so that you can figure it out also. Now see here, enter the first letter, bookman. See, bookman old style. So select this, okay. So now it is applied, right? Like that, you just select for all these three and go to the font, and here once it is there, it will be automatically selected. Now go to the bookman old style. Okay. So now this way you can just select it. Now we got selected the font style, right? Now the alignment is also done. Now the rule number part, 1, 2, just select 1 to 2 numbers, and after that just drag it till the roll numbers which are there in your class. Now see here, I am writing some of the different names. Anya, Ashika, Anita, Lakshmi, and also these are the different names which I have entered for different kinds of students. Okay, so now see here, the marks which I am entering for maths is 60, 50, 50. Okay, so I'm just dragging these all numbers instead of entering this whole numbers. So just drag this, and I wanted to paste these whole numbers here because I wanted to show you how to use the formulas and everything. Okay, so now see here, I'm having 4 subjects marks, that is maths, English, science, and social. Now I wanted to find out the total. So now just enter the total, and here the boxes are missing, right? Just to select the cells and add the borders. Okay, now you got the borders, right? So now what you need to do is here, understand carefully, put equal to sum. Okay, so now after entering sum, just enter the bracket and select these whole cells and click on enter. Okay, so one we got right. Now using control and enter, just enter like this so that you will be getting for all the other columns also. Okay, done. So this is how you have to do. Now see here, I will show you once again. First you need to enter for one thing is that equal to sum, open the bracket and just select the cells, or else directly you can enter. This is C column, right? This is a C column. So in this C column, what is the cell? Second cell. So you have to enter C2 column, and what is the other cell? Till F2 you want. So select F2 and close the bracket, and you can do like this. Or else you can, once it is done, either you can just drag the cell so that it will be applied for all the other subjects also. Similarly, you can do in two ways. Okay. Now second thing, if you want to increase your font, or if you wanted to make any students bold, if you wanted to color any sheet or anything, you can just color it. Just select these two cells, add the color. Okay, this is one way of coloring it. Okay, this is regarding summation. And see here, if you wanted to sort any students' names or anything, go to this sort and click on this sort. Either you wanted to get from A to Z or Z to B. Now see here, the names are changed, right? Including the roll number, everything was changed. And if you wanted to undo this action, click on Control Z. Okay. So now see here, I'm just selecting this B column and I wanted to sort the data. Sort range from Z to A I have selected. Okay, so Z to A means first it is coming T, next name and everything. It is completely changing. The whole row format is changing. This like this you can do the sorting operation. Just select these cells and click on the data and click on sort cells from A to Z. It is changing again. Yeah? I hope everyone found this video very much helpful.